Hey, this is Dylan with Repair Spots. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to manage used devices or devices that you're managing in general for your repair shop, and also how to make buybacks if you're purchasing those devices off of your customers or maybe from someone else. To start, let's move to device management. We'll go to the More section down here, and we'll go to the Inventory tab. From here, we can go to the Device Management screen, and here we'll be able to see the existing devices in our system. To create a new one, we can go ahead and press this plus, and here we'll have the Create Device screen. From the top, we'll have different grades to select from, so if this device is used, we'll be able to choose the grade that it is, or if it's dead on arrival and we're going to repair it, we can also select that, or if it's brand new, then we can select new. We'll fill out the device's information, including the IMEI or serial number. Make sure we mark whether or not this device will be taxable when it's sold, whether or not we're going to be lending this to customers as a sort of a lender's phone if we're working on any of their devices, or if this device will be for sale within your shop. We can add any images or any notes that might be important for this device to save for later on. And we can also apply the warranty period that this device will have when we sell it to another customer. All right. Once we have that, we'll be able to have our created device. For example, with this device here, we have all of our options. If we need to print anything, edit anything, we'll be able to update the device. We can also choose to delete the device, and then we'll have any notes here as well. If we need to create a new note, we can press on that plus, and then we can mark that note for this device as well. All right, so now let's move to buybacks. To create a buyback, we can go to the checkout screen, either from the home menu on the quick create action where it says sale, or we can go down to the sales screen from the left, and then we can go and press that $sign button. Here, to do a buyback, we'll go ahead and press on that button on the top right corner that says create buyback. And then here we can select the customer that the buyback will be for or from. We'll mark the item to be purchased from a customer. It does not always need to be a device. In this case, we're going to be using a device as an example, but you could also choose other if you were purchasing a different kind of product from a customer. All right. Let's go ahead and say this is a grade B. We'll have the cost, and this is how much we're going to actually be paying for this device from the customer in front of us. And then we'll have the sale price. So if this device is going to be resold, how much you're willing to resell it for. The IMEI, of course, is going to be required. You can also scan that IMEI if you have a barcode scanner and just go ahead and add it that way instead. Makes it a little faster. We'll add a warranty period for resell it. Same process of creating the device. Go ahead and submit it. And then here we'll have the negative on this transaction. So if this customer were to be maybe purchasing their repair, we can go ahead and pull a repair into this. And then we'll have the difference from the repair, and we'll be able to charge the customer the difference or give them back the difference that we owe them. In this case, we actually owe them $77.50 for this device after the repair. And there we go.